All right, so in this video, I want to show you how I create my homepage content for my local lead generation sites. Now, first of all, you have to know what a local lead generation site is. Now, the site that I learned from is still up and running, and so GrandRapidsTree.com is a great example of what a lead generation site looks like. You've got the main title up there. You've got a lot of click to call buttons, click to call logo, or not click to call, but that'll just redirect you to the home page. Normally you redirect those to call. But then you've got title, content, title, content, title, content. So all in all, what we're looking at here is we've got about 2,000 words on this homepage, 1995. Now, generally we want a little bit more than that, but overall this content is in a great format for what a local lead generation site is. So what I want to show you on this one is how I create my content based on this. Now, you can use this method for any niche that you want to go into. I've got sites in roughly about 25 different niches at this point. So, and I use each one of these as the same type of outline. So, essentially, this is going to be your first paragraph. So, then you've got about 250 words here. Then you want to pick your next one, why you should go with us. Another 250 words. The story will be 250 words. And you've got top reasons for tree trimming. He's just got a graphic here, but then he's got a few pieces of content there as well. So then you got 250 words. When to trim your trees. A nice graphic there. Then he's got no content there, but then it's like then you could theoretically put some words underneath there. This one's a little bit longer. It's about 500 words. And he's got some services here. And they've got that's roughly another 500 words there. So all in all, you got about 2,000 words here. But then you can go through and change up. Notice how he's got the specific niche, and then he's got the state or the city and state here. And he's got some general reasons of why you should go with us. These can be you can spin these words to be just for about any lead gen site here. Story of Grand Rapids Tree Guys. Again, you can reword a lot of this to be exactly what you want, but it's the story of city, niche, guys, tree care, right? Top reasons for tree trimming. So in this case, you just top reasons for service, right? When to trim your trees. So when to service your whatever, right? Why is it important to pick a good tree service company or a good insert niche company, right? So you begin to see it that way. Emergency tree removals, that's a service. So then you're going to describe that service there. Service number 2. Okay, describe that service, company goals and mission. You can reword that to include your keywords, so company goals and mission. So you could say, okay, well, Texas roofing company goals and mission. You could put those keywords in there as well. So you can change up these things. This is just the outline of what your content can be like. And so then that's how you can get ideas for how long because your content should be anywhere between 2,000 to 4,000 words. On a previous video on this channel, I've put in how I use Article Forge and Mangools keyword tool to create content very quickly. And I'll have about 3,700 words on each page. So on each homepage. So at a very quick rate. So if you're not a writer, that may be something for you to look into. But that's how I would go about outlining all of my lead generation sites homepage. Notice how it's been done before, and use that as the frame, and then change out the specific terms.